Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your Pandora jewelry account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser and on the top search bar, search for us.pandora.net. Here, as you can see, you'll be led to the official website of Pandora. Now on the top right corner, you'll see a profile icon. If you click on it, you'll be led to your account page. Here you can either log in, create account or check order status. Since we're going to log into our Pandora account, we'll have to enter our email address and the password. If you'd like the website to remember your credential, click on the Remember Me button. But if you've forgotten your password, you can click on this Forgot Password link and follow through the process. Here, as you can see, you can also log in with Google or Facebook, but you'll have to keep in mind that Pandora will use your Facebook and Google information. Regardless, after entering all your credentials, all you'll have to do is click on this Sign In and Continue button. And now you've successfully signed in to your Pandora account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.